Number 7. Number 6. Number 5. Number 4.
Hi, I'm Dave.
Number 3.
I'm the creator of the best-selling card game Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza, and I want you to experience this not now. This card-slapping, belly-laughing, super fun card game that everyone loves. Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza is crazy fun, and it's easy to play. Take your party to the table, pass out all the cards, and keep your stack face down. Everyone takes a turn putting a card in the middle while saying taco, cat, goat, cheese, or pizza in that order. If your picture on the card matches what you say, be sure to slap your hand on the pile. Whoever is last must take the pile of cards and add them to their stack. But watch out, there are 3 special cards that are sure to have your friends rolling with laughter. You won't want to miss the gorilla, groundhog, narwhal action if you want to win this hand-slapping mayhem. Engineered for maximum fun, this social card game of the year will take your game night to the next level.
Meet Octobo.
Number 2.
Octobo takes storytelling and STEM learning to the next level. There's no other tech toy like him. Your mobile device automatically connects with Octobo via Bluetooth, opening up an endless world of activities through the Octobo app. He also comes with loads of accessories to make learning fun and interactive. Octobo is a real character and has a personality of his own. His plush body is embedded with soft sensors that are fun to squeeze and allow him to interact with kids like a real friend. The tokens are enabled with RFID technology that recognizes them and responds with songs, animations, and fun games that keep kids active while learning.
I tried the Game Panda. That one.
He also has an audiobook mode, perfect for bedtime. The Underwater Adventure Story Kit comes in the Octobo Starter Pack. It's a fun story that explores emotions and teaches shapes and colors. For preschool-age kids, the Great Letter Search Story Kit teaches the basics of reading through 26 tokens, one for each letter of the alphabet. Kids will learn at their own pace to recognize letters, sound them out, and eventually spell over 60 words in this fun-filled adventure. Any tablet or smartphone up to 8 inches will fit Octobo. More content will be available soon. Finally, a tech product that you'll feel comfortable putting in front of your kids. Make learning fun with Octobo, the tech toy that teaches.
Gravity Maze is a falling marble logic
Number 1.
single-player game great for players aged from 8 years and even adults. Here's how to play. Choose a challenge to begin. Your goal is to get your marble to the target tower by creating a maze using the towers shown on the card. Set up your grid as shown on the card and collect the towers indicated here under Add to Grid. Set aside the remaining towers. You won't need all of them for every challenge. Black dots on the towers show you the correct orientation for the towers. Towers can stand on their own, be stacked, or even laid on their side to create a maze. The card will show you where to drop the marble once your maze is complete. Be careful, each tower color has a unique arrangement of ramps and bridges, and your maze may not have the clear path that you think. When the marble reaches the target tower, you win! Here's a more advanced challenge. Be sure to read the building rules in the instruction manual before beginning your challenge. It includes helpful information on ways you can stack the towers. If you get stuck, turn over the card to see the solution. For some challenges, there are more ways to solve than just the way shown. In fact, once you've mastered the game, we encourage you to build your own challenges and be as creative with your mazes as you can. Here's what you get. 1 game grid, 9 building towers, and 1 target tower, 3 marbles, 1 to play, and 2 spares, 60 challenges ranging from beginner to expert, plus game instructions. Gravity Maze is brought to you by Think Fun, the world's leader in addictively fun games that sharpen your mind.